Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to beautiful Vancouver, Canada. Join us for a heartwarming journey as our dear friend Joanne guides us through a yoga practice centered around the theme of kindness. This nurturing session comprises two parts. The second part is available on Joanne's YouTube channel. Now grab your mat and let's begin.
Welcome everyone, my name is Joanne, and today we have a short practice, beginners friendly, and you can use this practice anytime that you want to start, restart, or simply tap into the kindness to yourself. So find a comfortable position. We are sitting on the ground in this beautiful park today. You can do your practice anywhere. And first, just begin with some gentle rocking from side to side. You can soften your gaze down past your nose or close your eyes, like I do. And as you rock here, you can swing a little backward, forward. You bring your awareness into your body. Maybe you come into this practice from other activities, or starting your day, or maybe ending your day. Wherever you find yourself right now, just allow yourself to be where you're at. Then eventually, as you move in this pendulum movement, you can slowly find your center. And feel there's 2 points underneath your hip, your sitting bone, and root down through your sitting bone. Feel your spine lengthen from the ground up. And when you have your eyes closed, you can still turn your gaze down past your nose and tap into your breath. Notice your breathing pattern right now. You don't need to change or force or shift anything. Simply be where you're at. Take a deep breath into your nose. Feel your lungs and your chest expand, your belly expand. And exhale. You can open your mouth and make a gentle sigh. Take a deep breath into your nose. And exhale out. Beginning from your next breath, I'll start counting your breath and you can simply follow my cue. Inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. One last round. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Return to your natural breathing. And take a moment to notice how you're feeling your body. Just now and a few minutes ago, maybe you can find a little bit grounding sensation. And on your next deep breath in, open your arms, reach your arms up overhead. Lengthen from your hip bone through your armpit. And exhale, soften your shoulder a little bit, but keep your spine nice and long. Inhale, twist over to your left side. You can gently flip your eyes open. Look on the side, look around your surroundings. Take one cycle of deep breath here. As you exhale, broaden across your chest and soften your shoulder. Inhale, raise your arms up overhead, come back to center, and exhale, twist over to your right side. This time again, take a deep breath in, feel your heart lifted. And as you exhale, gently draw your belly button in and up, as if you are pushing your front body into your back body. Find your inner support. Then slightly press your sitting bone down into the grass, the floor, your mat. And lengthen your head to the top of the ceiling or the sky, as we are here outdoor. Inhale, raise your arms up overhead, come back to center. And exhale, turn your hand down and bring your palms down to your mat. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Lengthen through your right side body, but keep your right hip rooting down to the floor, and bring your fingertips over to the left side. So if you are just walking your fingertips and reach over to your left side. Inhale, come back to center, hands back down to the floor, the mat. Then raise your left arm up overhead. And again, gently walk your right fingertips over to the right side and lean over to your right side. Feel your side body long, especially your left side body. Inhale, come back to center, and we'll do one more time on each side. Reach your right arm up overhead and gently walk your left hand over to the left side. And this time, maybe look up to your right fingertips. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, slightly hug your front body into your back body. Maybe this will require you to round your back a little bit, but it's okay for now. Root down through your sit bone and peel your chest open. Find more space here. So if you are reaching for something up, then lift your right fingertips up first. Then release your right hand down. Lift your left arm up. Again, walk your right hand over to the right side. Lengthen through your left side body. Hug your front body in. This might require you to round in a little bit. But from here, root down through your sit bone and peel your chest and heart open. Full breath in, and maybe look up to your left fingertips. And lift your left fingertips up. Imagine someone's pulling your left fingertips. Then exhale, release your hand down to the floor. And take a moment to rest both hands down to your mat and lift your shoulder up to your ears. Roll your shoulder forward, up and back. Two more times. Inhale, squeeze your shoulder up, up, up. And exhale, release it down. One last time. This time, integrate your breath with this movement. And exhale, release. One more time. This time, reverse the circle. So squeeze your shoulder blade in first. Lift your shoulder up and down. Inhale, squeeze, lift, and exhale, release. One last time this direction. Squeeze your shoulder blade on your back. Imagine you're squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blade. And exhale, release it down. Nice work, everyone. Then we're coming forward onto our hands and knees. And first, just have a look at your palms, your fingers, your wrists. And take a look at the position of your wrists. Align your wrists, your elbows, and your shoulder into one line. And make sure you have your palms shoulder width distance apart. Nice. So set up your foundation and also check your knees. Make sure you have your knees right underneath your hip point. And from here, untuck your toes. That means you press your toenails down into the mat. And just like we started in the beginning, rock a little side to side. Feel your connection with the ground beneath you. So here we're on the grass in the park, so we're finding a softer surface beneath us. But wherever you're at, just find a moment to connect. And maybe bring this rocking from side to side motion into a bit more circular motion. Then eventually bring yourself into your center. Root down through your palms, the tips of your fingers, all 10 fingerprints. Then from there, find a little gripping sensation. So claw your fingers into your mat. Hollow up the center of your palms and hug your elbows in slightly. Then from there, lift your tailbone up and look forward. And just take a moment to allow your belly to hang here. Maybe you start to feel some sensation in your body, but whatever sensation comes, simply welcome and allow yourself to be where you're at. And take one cycle of deep breath here. And use your exhale to find a little contraction through your core. Draw your belly button in and up and round your back. As you round your back, naturally bring your chin into your chest as you roll to the top of your spine. And push your shoulder blade apart. Your next inhale, lift your chin, open your heart, open your chest, and lower your belly down. And exhale, rounding. So we call this a cat and cow motion. By now, your body knows what to do. So you can simply go with your own pace, creating this rounding and arcing shape in your spine. And bring your awareness into your breath. Allow one breath lead to another. Allow your breath to move your body. We'll be here for another 3 to 5 breaths. So today's theme is kindness. See if you can infuse a little kindness into your movement. Just right here, right now. You don't need to go far or think far. Simply ask yourself the question, what can I do here to show my kindness toward myself? Maybe soften little tensions around certain area that you're gripping. Or maybe allow your breath to travel a little deeper. And by now, you probably already find your own rhythm. And gently find a neutral spine here. And from here, tuck your toes under and send your sitting bone back to your heels. And you can gently rock a little side to side. Feel the soles of your feet stretch open. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Find your center. And this pose might be a little intense for a lot of people because we are on our feet all day, walking, sitting, and this is the foundation of our being. So just take a moment to send gratitude to the soles of your feet for carrying your weight. One more deep breath in here and long breath out. Shift your body forward, come back to a neutral spine position. And this time, walk your hand forward, but keep your knees and your hip where they are. So our arms are reaching out and to the top edge of our mat. Then lift your tailbone up, bring your heart, your chest, and your head down to the floor. We call this Anahatasana. Some people call it heart to earth pose. Some call this poppy posture. And breathe into your shoulder, your armpit. And as you take a deep breath, feel a natural expansion. Your chest and your heart rise up. And as you exhale, soften your shoulder, plug your shoulder blade onto your back. But try to keep your heart and your head reaching forward. Then maybe soften your heart down to the earth a little bit more. This is a gesture of bowing to the kindness to the earth, bowing to ourselves. Full breath in. And beyond all that, this is a great shoulder opener. Release some tension on your upper back. And long breath out. Then on your next breath in, keep your elbows on the ground and shift your torso forward. Walk your knees back ever so gently. Lower your belly down to the ground. Untuck your toes. And from here, look forward. Take a full deep breath in. And exhale. Keep your pubic bone on the ground, but draw your belly button in slightly. So from here, you start to feel your core turned on, maybe your glute turned on, and also toned your quad and your hamstring, called the Sphinx pose. Full breath in, look forward, and exhale. Press your head back and bring your chin level to the ground. Look over to your left shoulder. Full breath in, and exhale. Come back to center and turn over to your right side. Full breath in, and come back to center. Then from here, tuck your toes under and push yourself up onto a low plank. A little surprise, but just like a little test, so you can gently rock a little front and back. Moving into your ankles, ankle joint. Then from here, lower your knees down to the ground. And this time, sit all the way back, so you can walk your hand back, reach your arms forward. Call this Balasana, child's pose. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Allow your hips to get a little heavier. And maybe you can rock a little side to side and simply stretch your side body. And exhale, soften.
I hope you enjoyed the first part of the practice. To continue with the second part, please head over to Joanne's YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by liking and sharing this video. Thank you.